Welcome back, friends. I'm Sarah from Flourishing Fibers, and today we are diving into the second design in our Hex collection, Sparks. While Sparks is part of a matching trio of geometric paper embroidery designs, it's also completely available as its own standalone project. If you are a fan of clean geometric lines, I highly recommend checking out the full collection. You can find all the pattern links plus the tools I'm using today, like my favorite 3-in-1 awl, right down in the description box. Today's video is a quick stitch along to show you the core techniques for this piece. Just like the rest of this collection, Sparks is created entirely with simple straight stitches. It moves quickly, but the scattered starburst effect is so striking when finished. The secret to a polished look on this design is consistency. You want to stitch each little spark in the exact same order so they all match perfectly. Each spark is made up of 3 lines forming a V shape with a straight line right down the middle. You can choose any sequence that makes sense to you. For my example, I'm starting by stitching the 2 outer lines that form that V, and then I stitch the center line. Because of this path, the very last stitch that lays on top of everything else, it's that center vertical line. Doing this across the whole board gives it a really clean, uniform finish. When it's time to tie off your thread, you have 2 great options. You can secure the tail to the back with a tiny piece of masking tape, or you can weave it through the back of your surrounding stitches. Tape keeps the back of your piece nice and flat, but either method works perfectly for this project. While I work on the rest of these sparks, I want to point out a few resources for anyone who might be new to Flourishing Fibers. If you are wondering how to transfer these digital patterns or what type of cardstock works best, I have full step-by-step videos covering all of that information. I've linked them below for you to explore. Alright, the embroidery is done, so let's move on to assembling the panel. If you've seen my other projects, you know I always reach for my QV's foam tape. I add foam pieces wherever there's room to help support the backer and keep the paper from sagging over time. Then, just line up your front and back panels, press them firmly together to stick, and finish it off by adding a cord for hanging. And there you have it. Sparks is ready to display. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world and helps me keep creating. Until next time, keep on stitching. Bye.